Let's talk about the possibility of taking both the online and the in-person workshops. Yes, you can, with some structure. If you start with the online level 1, you can then attend the online level 2, which is the equivalent of the Master Facilitation in-person workshop. There are no other online workshops. If, after attending the online level 1, you want to attend the in-person workshops, you must transition to the PSYCH-K Basic Workshop, since this is a prerequisite for all other in-person workshops. If you begin your PSYCH-K journey with the in-person basic workshop and later decide to switch to the online workshop path, you must transition to a PSYCH-K online workshop level 1. These are the only options for transitioning from one path to another. We want to make this transition easy for you. So, if you decide to switch paths, you will benefit from lower transition fees, which means that you will not be paying the full standard tuition fee.